Well, I don't know. Somebody walk up to Wall Street and say, wake up, guys, do something so I can test. Hello, and welcome to, or welcome back to, the channel of the Nasdaq scalping bot. It's a Python program, my first Python program, that is made to do some automated trading on the Nasdaq with as goal to get some passive income as it works. And in a daily report, almost daily lately, I will tell you guys how the progress is of this bot and how we're doing on the market. And we had some exciting news today, so stick around. So let's start as usual with the code and the code editor. And for the guys who are following the channel, you notice that we have new numbers beneath in the editor. These are all new numbers, which means there is new code. And I did some new coding in the weekend, and I will tell you guys what I did. First of all, I deleted the function to calculate the percentage movement per candle as an extra threshold to make a buy or a sell. I deleted this function. It had no use. There's no extra value, so I deleted this. And the other one I added, and that's what you see right here in this print. The APC, the average percentage change, is still there. I changed it to 1, and it was 2. 2 was not doable at all, and I brought it back to 1. But even 1 is not something I want to see. I don't know, because the market is slow. So I'm missing input, needing input. So I did something else. And that's what you see right here is the last netto change. That's the second number. You see the second number is 34 and 30 and 45, etc. These are the actual changes in pips pro candle. And those numbers, if you see, we had a 0.21 percentage change. Here, there another 5 or 6 one back to back, but the actual change are different from 34 to 47. So maybe those numbers can help me to determine what to do. And the third one is this one is the calculated change. And the calculated change is the function you see right up, the calculation you see right up there is where I do some math with calculating the latest change in pips from the previous candle with the changes in pips from the latest, the newest candle, and see if I can get some information out there. So I can delete so I can kick out those APC and see if there is something in to do. That's what I changed in the weekend, and I started the bot again, of course. So let's take a look at the bot. And if we look at the bot, we see that there is a white background, which means nothing happened today. No surprises there. It's the new start of the week, and maybe we had some changes in the market and some decisions done, but no, we hadn't. So let's take a look at the market. And if we take a look at the market, we see we had a very slow day, and this is the day. So let's take the 1 hour of today, and if we look at the hours changes in the Nasdaq, it's nothing. It could be a 5-minute candle, and then and we reached. That's good news. Again, we reached the new all-time, not the new all-time high, but we reached the all-time high. So the last couple of weeks, we're talking about weeks here. Yeah, no, not weeks. The last couple of days, we see a small rise in hourly changes, but slowly we are in an uptrend until we reached the all-time high. But slowly. I don't know what's going on in the US, but the market is falling asleep. I don't know what to do. All I can do is wait until something happens so I can do something with the code and I can do something in the testing, because there is nothing. There is absolutely nothing. We can look at Tesla. Tesla, it's the 1 hour. Yeah, let's take the 1 day. Tesla in a downtrend, a slight living up the last couple of days, but it's still in a downtrend. It's not breaking it, so it's still a downtrend, although we have higher highs and higher lows, but I don't think it's really a trend going up. Then we have Nvidia within a slow uptrend. We're now again in an up and trying to close the gap between these two. So maybe Google in an uptrend, although we are at the support line. We broke the support line and now we're back up. These days, this only day, Intel is in a downtrend and broke the downtrend with a piece of an uptrend. I don't know. We will see if it's really an uptrend or just a breaking and then we're going further down. Usually it is. Now Meta, oh, I deleted Meta. Meta is still going up strong and making new all-time highs every day. This day is no else, but it's not as strong as the early weeks, but it's still going up, still going higher and higher. Apple, more or less sideways. Yeah. Amazon, still in an uptrend, but reaching the support level right here. So we don't know if we're going to break or it's still going higher. And Microsoft is in a down, but reaches the support and see if it breaks the support. Well, US 100 is sideways. We see by day, it's a sideways for months now. Look at this. From December, we're talking about December right here. We had Santa rally up to an all-time high, and then we had a breakdown right for Chris, and then we went up and down, up. It's a slow market all the way. Let's take a look at the VIX for today. The VIX, and if we look at the VIX, I have really enhanced this to make it see that we have a candle. But look at this Thursday, Friday. You can hardly see there was any action at all. I don't know. Somebody walk up to Wall Street and say, wake up, guys, do something so I can test. Okay, that was it for today. All I have to say to you guys is have a little fun every day and like, subscribe, leave a comment, and I'll see you tomorrow.